Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see from the title and obviously from the video, I got another, well, I didn't get, but I was gifted another diecast. First one I've gotten since, I think, Christmas. So, yep, as you can see, it's a Maisto Special Edition Monza SP1, which is super cool. So, yeah, let's open it up and, you know, we'll check it out briefly and see what it looks like, and that's it. I won't be putting it on display today just because I don't really have anywhere to display it, just like when I got the Yesco. But, you know, we can still open this and check it out and see what it's like, which obviously, because I didn't buy this and it was gifted to me, I don't know how much it was, but I do know that it was bought on Amazon, so probably wouldn't be too hard to go on there and look. So yeah, here you go. Hot Wheels lost their contract with Ferrari to keep making diecasts, so I guess now Maisto has at least some. But yeah, no, the Monza's definitely a cool car, so there you go. I'm happy to add it to the collection. Let's turn it this way. So there's the front. And I'm pretty sure this was the launch spec of the SP1. Maybe not, but I think it was. Oh, hi Oliver. Cat wants to come in. So yeah, let's swing this back around. You can look at the back of the car. It's got that iconic look to it. But yeah, pretty sure it's the launch spec. Yeah, I don't know, I think it looks pretty cool. This does open. We can probably pull this tape off. But yeah, the rear does open. And the doors should also open. Let me just put this down and fully open it. But I'm pretty sure the doors open as well. They should, at least, if the model is accurate. Is this tape? Oh, it's because it's taped, of course. So let's get this tape off. Of course, you can't even see the tape because it's the same color as the damn car, but yep. So there's the door open and the back open. God, it looks really good from the side, doesn't it? There's more tape right here for something. I wonder if the front clam opens. That would actually be pretty cool. This, there's it from the front, opened. Yeah, this model is not by any of the like super duper nice, like crazy expensive brands, but it looks pretty good. I mean, Maisto can still make like, obviously they can still make some pretty good looking models. But yeah, no, this one is, it's not bad. I just don't like how you can't see any of the tape because the car is silver. Alright, so does this open? Here, let's put this stuff down. Wow, it does. That is cool. So this is fully opened from the side. That's actually pretty sweet. And that's from the front. And then the other side is like that. I'll show you. So the seat in here is brown. I don't know if you can tell, but it's brown. And then yeah, the engine bay actually looks pretty good. So yeah, I actually didn't know that the front opened as well, but that's pretty sweet. So yeah, this is obviously not a resin model, it is a die-cast. But yeah, moving parts, opening and closing parts. Nice thud when you shut it. So yeah, one day when I get my storage back set up again, I'll obviously take this out. So maybe I'll make a video when I do that and put it next to the rest of the collection. But yep, there you go. That is the newest die-cast. Looks pretty good. Yep, I think that's it. So I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.